Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Meals with Mills. In this episode I'll be making a noodle salad. Let's start cooking. Okay, so these are the ingredients. I have my raw prawns or shrimp here, pork mince, noodles, fish sauce, brown sugar, and all my veggies here. I will have the rest of the ingredients and the measurements available on the side of the screen or in the description box below this video. So check it out everyone. First of all, I'm going to soak our noodle. I'm going to use 4 of these. 4. Okay. We're going to add a couple of tablespoons of oil to our pan. And we're now going to add our pork mince. So I have about 250 grams of pork mince. Now we're starting to add our flavoring. We're going to start with our onions and garlic. Add some salt and pepper. Okay. And just move the mince on the side, and we'll slowly add our shrimp or prawns. Just splash a little bit of oil here. Toss them together now. Add some of our veggies. We've got our red chillies here, as well as our tomatoes, and we're now going to add our noodles. Tablespoon of water just to cook our noodle through, and at this stage we're going to mix our sauce. So for our sauce we'll mix our brown sugar, fish sauce, and some of our lime. Squeeze our lime in there, so just try and get about 1 or 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Give it a good mix, add it to our sauce. Okay, we will add the rest of our ingredients, our herbs, spring onions, some of our cilantro or coriander, and leave the rest for garnishing on top of our dish when we serve. Smells amazing too, everyone. We will put that aside and we will quickly whip up our egg. Our egg is optional, you don't have to add it to the dish. Just have it like that, but I love to add the eggs on top of my salad. Okay, squirt some oil. I have about 3 eggs here with 1 tablespoon of water. Sprinkle with some salt and pepper. Okay, it's time for us to add it to our pan. Let's give it a taste to see if we need to add more salt. Yum. No need to add anything else, guys. We are going to dish our salad now and serve. noodle salad, everyone. Looks really nice and yummy to start eating now. I've tasted it before. I am serving it with Chinese style of egg fried in oil. Okay, so taste the food. Yum. Some of the eggs. Just season it according to your likings, but it's really nice. I like the, I think the Thai people call this kind of salad class noodle salad. I really like it. I love noodles, so this is the kind of dish I enjoy making. That coriander gives it a nice taste and flavour to the dish. Plus our fish sauce, chillies, everything. I hope you enjoy this episode. Thank you for tuning in and for cooking with Mills. Take care out there and be safe. We will catch up in my next recording. Bye for now.